And you can follow what's happening with Peggy at WUSA9.com. Right now we turn to criminal defense attorney Gary Gerstenfield for some legal analysis. And Gary, thank you very much for being here with us. As everyone's been talking, what an explosive day yesterday, something we didn't expect for that to be the opening statements from the defense attorney that basically this was such a dysfunctional marriage that there could be no conspiracy. What do you make of the strategy?
Well, there are two ways that defense attorneys defend people. One is called the hot air balloon defense, another one is called the submarine defense. And hot air balloon defense is if you bring out all of the evidence, if everything comes out, it'll exonerate your client. And so from the people's point of view, watching this trial, it makes for, you get everything. Now, the submarine defense is where you're trying to keep all the evidence out, trying to keep all the evidence down, go deep, sacred, don't, hunker down, okay? So you're going to see a lot of motions to suppress. You're going to see a lot of, the hallmark is the defendant doesn't testify. But in a submarine defense, you don't testify. In a hot air balloon defense, you do testify. You bring it all in. You don't have a witness chair. You got a witness couch. You're bringing everybody.
Everybody in.
Grandma.
And the defense has already said the governor, the former governor, is going to testify.
Absolutely. And let me tell you something. Right now, it looks like the wife is getting the hard treatment.
Right. Seems like she's being thrown under the bus as the one. In fact, the attorney yesterday said that she hated her husband almost for the job consuming him. Wasn't enough money for her, not enough time, nothing left to her, so she turned to Johnny Williams as her, quote, playmate.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's devastating.
Okay, remember, in a federal prosecution, all shred of decency is lost. And in a hot air balloon defense, it makes it even worse because you're bringing in everything. So right now, yes, Ms. O'Donnell has taken it pretty hard on the chin. But stay tuned because her husband's going to take it hard too. Remember, he's got to say, look, I wasn't with my family. I wasn't doing what I was supposed to be doing. I was worrying about being a governor. I'm doing all the things a governor's supposed to be doing. I wasn't watching my family. I wasn't a great husband. I mean, all the bad has to come out because in a hot air balloon defense, you're just sitting there full throttle. Everything comes in. Okay? Grandma, you got something to say? Come on, go. And what you're going to see, very interestingly, is the prosecution trying to shut down some of the testimony. Because in a hot air balloon defense, everything's coming out. A lot of that stuff the prosecutor won't like.
Not liking. All right. It's going to last maybe 4 to 5 weeks. Any predictions given how this thing has started?
Yes. If, again, hot air balloon defense fares well for defendants. Okay? So if that's the case, and there's an acquittal, heads are going to roll over at justice. You're going to see the Republican Congress going crazy over this. You're going to see some people stepping down. Spend a little more time with family, maybe to go into private practice, but you're going to see a shakeup in justice for sure.
Gary Gerstenfield, thank you very much for being here with your analysis. We appreciate it.